Hi, this is Chris Broughton from Vidyard. Today I will be showing you how to make design and configuration changes to your sharing page. A sharing page can be made available for any player that gets created in Vidyard. The default design for the page will have a grey background and use a web address that starts embed.vidyard.com/share followed by the player UUID. You can adjust these settings by going to the Channels option on the left menu and click Sharing Page. The first tab that will load is for the design. This will provide a few options to get started on changing the look of the sharing page. From here you can upload a logo which will get placed directly underneath the player, change the background colour and adjust the opacity of the footer. You will be able to see a preview of your changes once the values have been adjusted and saved. The next tab shows the options for what can be displayed on the sharing page. You can also set CNAME here to use a subdomain of your own website or create a new Vidyard subdomain. If you decide to use the CNAME option, you will also need to ensure that you create a CNAME record within your DNS. This will point to hubs.vidyard.com. A fallback URL can be entered in case any mistakes are made with typing in the sharing page address. This can be set to the same fallback page that you would use on your own domain or any other web address. If you enter a Vidyard subdomain that is already taken, an error message will appear. Please try another one if this occurs. The options on the right side provide the ability to allow comments through the Discuss integration, show the player title and description, or allow the video to be downloaded directly from the sharing page. Please note that if the player is set to be secure, the videos will not be available for download. The Tracking tab will provide a number of options to add scripts from other platforms. This is useful if you have integration into another system, such as a marketing automation platform, and would like the video view data from the sharing page to pass across. The final tab shows the advanced HTML and CSS adjustment options. The HTML box has an option to adjust the header and footer of the page, but please note that JavaScript is not accepted. I'll show you a quick example of how you can adjust the color of the text using CSS. Using Chrome and other popular web browsers, you can target elements of the page using the Selector tool. In the Styles tab that appears, you will see all of the current CSS that is associated to that object. In this case, the title color is set to a hex code that equals black. You can simply copy this over from here and paste it into the CSS styling box to make amendments. It's likely that your organization will have some branding guidelines that offer these color hex codes for making amendments. And if you'd like to have more space to code, you can just expand the editor. Thanks for watching this video, which has shown the options you have for making adjustments to your sharing page. If you do require any further help, feel free to reach out to the Vidyard support team.